Hello. My name is Joanna. And today, I will be guiding you on how to use the Polly text-to-speech engine on Amazon Web Services with your FreePBX instance to generate great-sounding voices, like the one you are hearing right now. Let's get started. First, you'll need an Amazon Web Services account and a FreePBX system running version 13 or newer. It does not matter which version of * you are running for this example. In order for your FreePBX instance to use the AWS Polly service, you'll need an AWS Access Key ID and Secret Access Key. You can generate these at console.aws.amazon.com/IAM/home. Let's do that now. After logging into your AWS account and reaching the Identity and Access Management page, choose the Users section. Then click the blue Add User button. Enter an internal username and choose the Programmatic Access option before clicking the next button in the lower right corner. Now, choose the Attach Existing Policies Directly option and search for Polly. Check the box next to Amazon Polly Full Access and click Next. You can simply click Next on the tags page to skip it. You'll be shown a final review page, where you will click the blue Create User button to complete the wizard. On the Success page, you'll want to click the Show link or download the CSV file, as this will contain the secret access key we'll need. Make note of the access key ID as well. Now that we have the AWS credentials we need, let's prepare the PBX. Connect to the instance via SSH and run the following command: wget https://files.thewebmachine.net/install-polytts.sh. Once the install script is downloaded, change the permissions to allow execution by running chmod /755 /install-polytts.sh. Finally, run the script by executing /install-polytts.sh. Note: if you are using AWS FreePBX from the web machine networks, simply execute this command to run the installation: smart upgrade install-polytts. Towards the end of the installation, you will be asked to provide the following information: the AWS Access Key ID and Secret Key we created earlier, the AWS region code where you want your speech audio processed. You should use the region closest to your deployment for optimal performance. If you do not specify a region during the installation, the US East 1 region will be used. You can find a complete list of region codes at the following page. And the AWS Polly voice ID you'd like to use for your generated speech. My voice, Joanna US English, is the default. You can see the full list of voices and their IDs at the following page. Once the script is finished, you'll need to add the Polly engine via Settings menu, Text-to-Speech Engines. You'll specify the following as the engine path: /usr/bin/node. Then submit the new engine. You're now ready to create text-to-speech dial plan elements via Applications menu, Text-to-Speech. Choose Polly as your engine and a destination to send the call to after the audio is played. Then go ahead and enter some text. You will want to note the following limitations when using AWS Polly for FreePBX text-to-speech. You cannot use single quotes or contractions, double quotes, carriage returns or new lines, or special ASCII characters in your text. Any of these will break the transcription, resulting in either a partial audio file or no audio at all. Polly will automatically pronounce contractions without an apostrophe, like don't, correctly. AWS Polly has a 3,000 character limit per API request. If you send more than this in a single TTS element, you will get no audio. If you need to provide spoken word longer than 3,000 characters, simply break your message down into multiple text-to-speech elements and string them together in sequence within your dial plan. Here are a few additional considerations when using AWS Polly. You can change the AWS access keys, processing region, or Polly voice at any time by running the install-Polly TTS shell script again. AWS gives customers 5 million characters per month for free for the first 12 months, starting from your first request. You will pay for usage beyond this free tier at a cost of $4 per 1 million characters processed. The FreePBX TTS module is written such that your TTS audio files are cached on the PBX after the first time they are encoded. So long as that TTS element text field remains unchanged and you don't change Polly voices, no additional requests will be made to Polly for that TTS element. You can see more information on AWS Polly pricing at aws.amazon.com/polly/pricing. This concludes the AWS Polly for FreePBX tutorial. I've been Joanna, and I hope you've been well informed. Have a great day.